Welcome to Burke Tech. It has been forever since I have posted anything. Don't even remember what was the last thing I posted, but I do want to get back into this. I always find that I fall away from posting stuff, and when I need to jump in my brain, I try to come back to it and start learning a little bit more and start doing more and helping others out and sharing with people. This is just going to be brief because I have a lot of things on my mind that I want to work out in detail before I share with you guys. But I want to tell you about two thoughts that I'm having for my school. I posted this on Facebook on this one thought, and I've shared with others, some of my parents, on the first thought. The first thought is having a makerspace room. I really want to get an after-school program going. Once a month, I'm brainstorming where anybody K through 8th can come in for about an hour and build something, make something. There is a company called Tinker Crate out there that kind of helps you do this. It has easily created items, projects to do that you only need like scissors or certain things from your house or your school. The rest of it's in the project, in the kit itself. This past summer, my oldest son, we gave him 3 months worth of these boxes, and we still have to do the last one. But the two other ones we did was a lava lamp. We created our own lava lamp, and the second one was constellations. Created our own constellation, and in the kit, there's not just the project, there's a little book that goes into more details about the science behind whatever the project is, some keywords and other things you can do to learn more about that project. So that's the first thought I have. I want to do a makerspace. I want to have some Legos in there to create. I'll have some, I always love soap art. You get bars of soap, you get some tools that you can design, carve, pottery tools, I guess, and let the kids design something. I can remember in grade school, that was one of our projects, was using a piece of soap, a bar soap, and creating an art design or art project out of it. And I remember I used Irish Springs, and I created a race car out of it. So that's kind of, I want that. Some other things that people can design, knitting, crocheting, whatever I can find. I want to get in there to let the kids build stuff and use their brains, just have fun, and not seem graded, nothing that they don't want to do. The second thought I had is starting an e-sport team. If you don't know what that is, that's playing video games. Esports it's on the rise. ESPN is even covering esports now. Usually you got Call of Duty, you have Counter-Strike, you have League of Legends, I think that's it. I don't play that one that much. Overwatch, I think there's another one too. That's kind of the main ones that you can. But I think it would be fun for the kids that enjoy that type of things to have an activity, an extracurricular activity that they can go to and be part of, just like any other sports team, and get some of the same benefits out of that for them. Now, how do we go about doing that? How do we, or where do we compete? Who do we compete against? That is still on the back burner. Don't know. I mean, the very first thing is getting about 4, 5, 6 computers that can handle something to this effect. Usually these gamers have top of the line gaming computers with a lot of hardware inside to be able to run smoothly, run fast, and be able to keep up with everything. The other thing you could do is maybe you don't do the computer part of it, you do like the Xbox or PlayStation part. Well, again, there you have to get PlayStation or Xbox, get copies of the games, and so forth. I think it could be a fun time. I would enjoy watching and participating in following these kids that are into those certain things. So those are the two things that are on my mind right now that I would like to do with my school. How to do it is a work in progress, because I do not want to start it without having all the details completed, everything thought out, all the challenges, questions asked already and answered. So if you would like to put in the comments below what your thoughts are on these two concepts and resources that I could use to help make these dreams come true, or any other things that you want to talk about with these two concepts that will help me, I appreciate it very much. See you guys next time.